Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for clicking and riding along with me. I do greatly appreciate it. I'm quite thankful that you are here. No pun intended. It's just great to be able to share this time with you. I hope you're having a good holiday. While I was cleaning out my office at FX Caprara Harley-Davidson, I did come across another poem that I wanted to share with you on this special day. So thanks again for watching. If you want to see more, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when I upload new content, then hit that bell. And in the meantime, give me a thumbs up. I do greatly appreciate it. Drop a comment down below and let me know how your Thanksgiving is going. And what, if anything, is on your wish list for the upcoming holidays. So, without further ado, I bring you a biker's Thanksgiving prayer. I give thanks for the long rides that stretch from morning to late afternoon and into the evening, for the miles and curves that vanish beneath my tires, those hours when time loses all meaning, for those days when I ride so long my throttle hand is sore and I walk a bit bow-legged when I finally park the bike. I give thanks for my Harley beneath me, for the power underneath me, the way it sets me back in the saddle each time I twist the throttle. For meaty tires and lean angles. I am thankful for the sound of my Harley as I sit so proudly on it. It's like hearing my favorite song drifting from a stranger's window as I ride along. Pure joy. I am thankful for hazards recognized, for dangers avoided, for the skills of the trained technicians that help to keep my bike purring. I give thanks for the wise riding tips and techniques my more experienced brothers and sisters of the road have taught me.
Irish needs new shorts!
I give thanks that I ride and live to ride again. I give thanks for the gathering of riders, for being able to recognize a friend's bike approaching by their sound, for seeing good companions slow and turn into the lot, for the glad hugs and laughter, the banter. I give thanks for that good company as I see them ahead of me drift to the outside, then dip into the curve. 1, 2, 3, 4, like seagulls banking, and then straighten up and fly on down the road. I give thanks for those I come to know and care about over the months and years of riding the same roads to the same places.
Okay, no pressure. Wait, what?
I give thanks for making new friends while riding new roads and having week-long adventures. I am thankful for those who I love and who love me simply because we love the same thing, to ride on two wheels in the freedom of the wind. I give thanks for the sense of being that riding has given me, the freedom to be who I am, no matter what others think. It has brought me a sense of empowerment for myself and my life, the ability to take on risk and fear and triumph in the challenge. To ride my own ride, whether in that good company of bikers or on my own. I am thankful that I have found my peace in the wind. Happy Thanksgiving all.